The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, eastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and trained storm spotters were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado near College Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near College Park around 5:50 p.m., East Point around 5:55 p.m., Forest Park around 6 p.m., Capeville around 6:05 p.m., Decatur around 6:30 p.m., Lithonia around 6:45 p.m. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 20 between mile markers 58 and 72, Interstate 75 between mile markers 238 and 251, Interstate 85 between mile markers 60 and 85, Interstate 285 between mile markers 46 and 65. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.